Hey guys, Mike from CCTV Camera Pros here. In this video, I'm doing more license plate recognition testing using our new 4 megapixel LPR camera that you see mounted there on the pole behind me. And yesterday I made the first video with the camera lens at the widest angle. That LPR camera has an 8 to 32 millimeter motorized varifocal lens that autofocuses. And in yesterday's video, I had the lens set to the widest angle and the LPR zone about 30 to 40 feet in front of the camera. Well, today I wanted to test the longer distance range of this LPR camera at the 32 millimeter setting. It's rated at 90 feet. So I adjusted the lens further out. That pickup truck that you see there behind me, the front of that vehicle is about 85 feet away from where this camera is mounted. Actually, the front of the door is exactly 90 feet. So I'm going to adjust the lens of the camera to zoom out further and adjust the license plate recognition zone further out and do some testing. The first thing that I need to do is adjust this varifocal lens in. So it's a motorized zoom lens, so it's controlled with the PTZ controls on the NVR. So I bring those up here, and then I'm going to zoom the lens all the way in. The front of that Ford pickup truck is 85 feet away from where the camera is mounted. So that's my frame of reference there. Next, I'm going to go into the LPR settings. And then I need to adjust this license plate detection zone. These are the settings that I last used when I was doing testing with the lens of this camera at the 8 millimeter setting. So now that we're zoomed in to the 32 millimeter setting, I want to redraw this license plate recognition zone. So I'm going to start it at the front of the pickup and extend it back 10 or 15 feet. So this is going from like 85 feet to like 100 or 105 feet away. And then I just want to check and make sure the license plate sizes are still good. So when I check that display range, that still looks good, judging by this front plate on this pickup truck. So I'm going to save those settings by clicking apply in the lower right, and then I'm going to close the settings by clicking on the X in the upper right. And now back at the live display of the LPR camera, I'm going to enable the target detection zone on the right by clicking on this icon. This will display the license plate detection and license plate recognition in real time on that little window on the right. And I'm going to drive away from the LPR camera at first. So here I come around the corner, and you can see the license plate was detected right there. Now, honestly, that was detected a little bit before the zone that I defined, which is okay, but I really wanted to test the detection from further away. So I'm going to take another pass here, actually coming towards the camera, and I think that's going to give me a little more control over where the license plate is detected on the approach. So I'm going to come around the corner here, and I'm actually going to pause the video here just so we can get a visual on how clear the license plate is from that's about 100 feet away from where the camera is right there. So you can see the license plate is crystal clear at 100 feet away. And then the license plate was detected right there. Now it's slightly delayed. You can see I'm in front of the pickup just a little bit, and you can see it accurately detected the plate, accurately did the recognition, but it's slightly delayed. So the detection was actually in the detection zone that time, about 85 to 90 feet away from where the camera was mounted. And if I want to play back that video, I can click on this play button in the upper right and pause it. And then I just want to show you the license plate on the recorded video. That was the live view before. So this is the recorded video playback, and I'll zoom in again. Again, my car right here is about 100 feet away, and you can see the license plate is crystal clear. Guys, as you could see, this Viewtron LPR camera is just as effective at detecting license plates at 90 feet away as it is in that 20 to 30 feet range with the lens set more at the wider angle. And although I didn't show you in this video, in addition to the license plate detection and license plate recognition that you saw here, The Viewtron network video recorders that these cameras connect to, you can have a license plate database on the recorder, and when the camera detects a license plate, it can match it up against a license plate from the database and take an action. So if you want to open up a gate, or if you want to be alerted in some way, actually a friend of mine owns an access control company. He makes gated entry for homeowners associations, and he's integrated our license plate recognition camera into his gate control system. So you can use the alarm output on this camera or the alarm output on the NVR to integrate with third-party systems. Guys, if you have any questions in regards to these Viewtron license plate recognition cameras or anything related to video surveillance, you could always email me directly. I can be reached at mike@cctvcamerapros.net. If you want to see additional license plate recognition videos that I've been making using this new 4 megapixel LPR camera, as well as our 1080p 2 megapixel version is still excellent as well. It's the exact same software that the 4 megapixel version has, just the lens is different and the resolution is 1080p instead of 4 megapixel. But you can watch all of our license plate recognition video demos at www.cctvcamerapros.com/LPR. Thank you for watching.